Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shirley. You guys call me Prissyshay. Today's video is gonna be a hair tutorial, y'all. This is my first time doing like hair clippings with my natural hair. I almost went to the hair store. I was like, let me just I almost went to the hair store to get a different type of hair. I was gonna put my hair like in a ponytail, like a body wave, like a straight hair. I'm like, then I got time for that. I want my natural hair to breathe. I want to take a break from like braids and especially lace wigs. I'm so over wearing lace wigs. I just want to show my natural texture, you know, so I can feel good about my hair and, you know, like just show it out because it's growing a lot. And within the video, like in the video, you guys going to see how long my natural hair got. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how I put the clip in and everything, and I just, you know, want to show you how I styled it, how I what like products I use for my hair, my natural hair, and you know what products or essentials to use, you know, to get this style looking all cute. You feel me? I really love it. I like it. This is like my actual hair texture, y'all. Like my hair is very kinky. I have curly curls, whatever how you said it, curly curls, curly kinky curls. Okay, I got that type of hair texture. My real hair is very soft. And it's so cute, y'all. Like I love it when I especially when I wash my hair, my curls get really tight and curly and it looks so pretty. I just want my middle hair to grow a lot. That's why I'm trying to make my hair breathe a little bit. That's why I did like the up how you call it, up down, like pin up type of style, like you know what I'm talking about, like the up ponytail and the bottom out, whatever style this is. Yeah. So yeah, so I just want to show you guys how I did it. So it's cute. I love it. I hope you guys love it as well. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you guys don't want to miss out my videos, don't forget to click on the notification bell. Comment down below if you guys feeling this natural hair look, you know. It feels so not weightless. It is weightless. It just feels so lightweight. There you go. It feels so lightweight. It's not as heavy. It feels like my natural hair. I feel like I didn't put anything in my hair. That's what I really love about this clip-ins, okay? First time trying clip-ins, I walk by the aisle, I'm like, ooh, damn, I should do clip-ins. And I did, okay? And it was fun and I love it. Yeah, subscribe, and yeah, if you guys want to stay tuned to this video, just keep on watching. It's so they ask how I get that you don't stop, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. You don't stop, keep it up, keep it up. down. Like, yeah. This is the look. I don't know if you guys can see this with my burgundy hair that I did my hair dye yesterday. I colored it to like a black cherry color, like I said. Yeah, it's a lot of shrinkage. None of the clippings are showing. It looks very nice. This is my natural kinky hair texture. That's why when I wet it, it didn't get as, you know, wavy and, you know, texturized and whatnot, but it is soft though, so yeah. If you have that really kinky natural hair, when you wet it, it's not gonna get as wavy. It's gonna get like moist, but it's still puffy, but not as, you know, wet and wavy. You feel me? So yeah, this is cute. I like how I did the style on the top with the ribbon. I braided it so my natural hair wouldn't, you know, show because it wasn't showing. So the way I braided it with the ribbon and it blended in. Look real cute or whatnot. Got my little ears for show for tomorrow. Yes, y'all. I look real cute, y'all. With my little house little fit or whatever. So it's cute. I love it. I look like I'm back in the 90s, y'all. Like, okay. Anyway, so make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you love this video, this hair tutorial. If you guys want more videos like this, make sure you guys comment down below. Don't forget to tell a friend about my channel. Make sure they subscribe, okay? And also, if you guys don't want to miss out when I post my vids, okay? Don't forget to like click on the notification bell, you feel me? So yes, so see y'all my next video, y'all. So bye, deuces.